strange type of announcement ever in the history of Canadian immigration. What they told in this clip, I will tell you, they promised that these type of individuals, they will give permanent residence quickly on preference basis. There will be no hurdles in the permanent residence. But luckily, they are less educated people. And what will happen to healthcare professionals? Where are engineers? Where are educated people, software engineers, analysts? Where are managers? They are in the demand list, but they are not in the list where Canada planning to give permanent residence on preference basis. I will explain this very important breaking news in this clip, and I will tell you that which type of workers Canada is promising that we will give you PR without hurdles, without resistivity. Why? Because they are very VIP people, and they are VIP people. They are precious. They are significant. Which people they are, I will explain, and you will be curious to know that which type of the people Canada want to give PR in this era, in this where Canada reduced immigration numbers from almost 500,000 people to 395,000 numbers. Mean that now 395,000 people will get immigration in the 1 year. But main quota being given to these people. Who are they? This is the mystery. This is the magic. Why Canada compelled to give PR to these workers? What are the workers? Construction workers. Construction workers, Canada announced that they will prefer to give permanent residence, PR. Healthcare workers, definitely they are worried, and also some other professions, top doctors, they come in, healthcare engineers, managers, the business people, and other lot of departments. Their workers are telling, we are educated, we have English test, we are going through PNPR Express entry, or we were students and we are having work permit, mean that our PR will be delayed. Why not? Our PR will be on urgent basis, and workers, uneducated person and laborers, they will get PR more quicker than us. They are asking this question. Answer is Canada compelled to give PR to construction workers. It means Canada is in huge demand of construction workers due to shortage of housing crisis. Due to shortage of houses and crisis, you already know housing crisis. And this news also telling one thing, at which level housing crisis has gone, that they are ready to give PR. Even they are reluctant to give PR to PhD educated professional. They are reducing number of the work permit for students, for highly qualified students. Some they are not sure that they will get work permit, they will not get work permit, but how they are ready mentally to give PR to construction workers, not to educated people, because they are in severe shortage. These shortage numbers are clearly in red lines in Canada. That's why they are changing rules, and they are changing immigration rules almost after some days. But about healthcare professionals, because very many healthcare workers will also go through new program, direct PR program to Canada. Now they are worried that our PR will not be quicker as construction workers. I will say there is no need to worry, because after some days Canada gave such statement, announced some rules for each category, and I am optimistic that after some days Canadian Immigration Department, IRCC, will give statement of PR more quickly for other professions as well, which are highly in demand. So healthcare professionals, you at least don't need to worry, because you people are also highly in demand in Canada. Health professionals are required elsewhere, and Canada requires healthcare professionals, especially home care people, in a bulk of numbers. That's why they introduced direct PR for them as well. So their announcement may come in coming days, but this is lucky news for workers if they are in Canada and they had got immigration through PNP or any other program. There is no any hurdle in getting a resident, because they will get a resident quite quickly as announced by IRCC. And the people who are outside Canada, you may require some skills of English and some diplomas. You must try to go as a construction worker. Mean all fields which are related with construction workers, you must try to go to Canada, because your PR is almost sure. And that was not much expectation, because that is expectation that Canada will reduce more PR and will give us a tighter statement for immigrants to get the PR. But this is a huge positive news for immigrants and other immigrants of other professionals. Now God hope that they will also get good news, and their restrictions of the work permit, which they are not getting sometime, and their extension of the work permit sometime they are not getting, and especially procedure of extension of the work permit becoming very tight, because now IRCC has one point: anybody who is near completion of permanent residence requirement, stop his work permit. I will tell you example. For example, one person require 5 years work permit to apply for PR, and he has worked for 3 years and he has 3 years work permit. Now Canada wants to stop him to get PR. It's very easy. Now these are checks and balances introduced in immigration system in 2024, late 2024 and 2025. Now they will say to you that you have to apply with the company letters with all details for next 2 year work permit, which they will refuse. When they will refuse, you can't do anything. Similarly, for the students also, they introduced a method that you have to apply for work permit. Initially, maybe they are not much strict for first 3 years, but last 2 years, which are very crucial to get the passport and to get the citizenship of Canada, they may be very tight, because English language testing system, once again, they made compulsion for Canadian students to get the PR. So in this all scenario, this news is very hopeful. Thank you very much.